guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zuzu, and I make these little lifestyle videos or whatever, or like just videos, because they're fun. Anyways, today is Sunday, January 28th. A little Sunday reset with a little surprise in the middle. Guys, look at my new little bear. He's so cute. He reminds me of someone else. I have to sew him back because my sister was like, she took him and she ripped the heart out. So I have to sew him. But he's so cute. Yeah, here are my little messages. We got to make a little list. But we have what Sammy said. We have what Bella said. We have what Ronnie said. We have what Kaylee said. So I have 4 people. Yeah. I just looked at all of my brushes and all of my beauty blenders. Okay guys, I just ate and that was delicious. I can't smell my shirt though. It's literally, I don't know, but I'm gonna switch my shirt. Anyways, guess who finally decided to text me back after leaving me undelivered for a day and a half? Anyways, just like that.
Grab her purse, Diddy Deals, and the food you love. What kind of deals that make you...
Okay guys, now I have to get ready because we're going to the surprise. So, okay guys, just finished getting ready. I'll show you guys my outfit. It's literally so cute. So this is Ron John, Cocoa Beach in Florida. These are Lulu, Nike, and I'm gonna put my blazers on later. On. And here is my son. She's so cute. She's gorgeous. I've not washed her in a good minute, so let's wash my standing. Guys, here is the fit. We're gonna put the blazers on the feet. Oh, don't mind the dirty socks. Anyways, oh, I feel so pretty. But yeah. put away most of my laundry. I'm just, oh, what is that? Anyways, I'm just waiting for my bedding to finish drying. But yeah, in the meantime,